Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. For today's quick video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enter promo codes in Udemy. For that, you just have to simply open your web browser and search for udemy.com. Now, once you are on the official website of Udemy, you just have to simply log in into your account by clicking on the login button in the top right hand corner of the screen. Here, you need to provide your email address and you need to log in. Afterwards, you just have to simply select your favorite course that you want to purchase from here. Let's say I want to purchase this one. So you just have to simply click on it, and over here you will see the curriculum of this course. So if you want to go through it, you can definitely go ahead and do so. Now you just have to simply add the course in the cart, and then you just have to simply go to your cart. Now once you are on the course page, you will see this type of pop-up where in the bottom you will see the promo code option, and currently this promo code is working here, so it will automatically apply the code for you. But if you already have another promo code, you can just simply enter it over here and click on the apply button. Now for any reason, if you are not able to see this option over here, then you simply need to click on add to cart option and then click on go to cart. Now once you are in your cart, you will see the list of all of the courses that you have added in Udemy. So you can remove any of the courses from here, or you can even add more. Now in the promotions, you will see this coupon code section where you just have to simply apply the coupon code and click on the apply button. So this way you will be able to enter promo codes in Udemy. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.